Hey, ever wonder why your lawn still looks off, even though you're watering it regularly? Chances are it's not the water. It's how your sprinkler system is set up. In this video, I will go over 5 super common mistakes people make with their sprinklers, and how you can fix them without spending a ton of money or time. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1. Sprinkler heads in the wrong spot. This one is sneaky. If your sprinkler heads are aimed to the wrong way, you're just watering the sidewalk, or one area gets soaked while another stays bone dry. Just walk around and look, really look, at where the water is landing. Not where the sprinkler is, but where the water ends up. It takes 5 minutes and can make a huge difference. And hey, if your yard is complicated or has weird slopes, it might be worth getting a pro to check it once. Mistake number 2. Overwatering. Yep, that's a thing. A lot of people think more water equals better lawn. But in reality, it just means higher bills, shallow roots, and sometimes even lawn diseases. If your lawn feels squishy or soggy, you are probably watering too much. Try adjusting the schedule depending on the weather, and get a rain sensor. This sensor can save you money fast. It just keeps watering when it's already raining. It's simple. Mistake number 3. Skipping maintenance. Look, sprinkler systems are not totally hands-off. Over time, stuff breaks. Heads crack, wires wear out, or something starts leaking underground. At least once a year, check everything. Turn the system on and walk around. Look for leaks, weak pressure, weird spray angles. And don't forget to clean your nozzles. They get clogged with dirt and hard water all the time, and it ruins your water coverage. Mistake number 4. Ignoring zone settings. Not every part of your yard is the same. Some areas are shady, others get full sun all day. Some plants need more water, others barely need any. If you water the whole lawn the same way, something is going to suffer, either from too much or too little. Use your zones. They're not just there for show. They let you treat each section how it actually needs to be treated. And finally, mistake number 5. Set it and forget it. A lot of people install their system, set it up once, and then leave it for years. But things change. Weather, seasons, plant growth, even the layout of your yard. Checking on your system every few weeks. Make small tweaks. It's way easier than fixing a dead patch in the middle of July. Alright, if any of this sounded familiar, don't stress. Most people make at least one of these mistakes. But fixing them, it's usually simple and totally worth it. You will save water, lower your bills, and honestly, your lawn will look way better. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. I'm Max from Irrigation System, and I'll see you in the next one.